We need to communicate. We need to evolve, to transform. We need to innovate. So what is Legal Services Link?
All right. Legal Services Link is a website that I created. And what it does is it attempts to create a one-stop shop, a one-stop website where people with legal needs can meet with attorneys essentially at the click of a button. And it does this in a way that allows clients to find the perfect attorney for them in the way that works best for them. There are two options once you sign up as a client for the site, and the first option is to search an attorney directory. And there are similar sites out there. I would say this is the more traditional method for finding an attorney online. And then the second option, and I believe is the more efficient and effective option, allows clients to post short summaries of their legal jobs. And those short summaries are then emailed to all the attorneys on the site that do that type of work and are located in the area of the job. And so once the client submits that job is emailed to all of those attorneys qualified to fulfill that client's legal needs. And upon receipt of that emails, attorneys that are interested in the job can then apply directly for the job by filling out an application. And once they do that, the application is sent directly to the client. Once all of the applications have been sent to the client then has a list of attorneys and a list of applications for their legal job. And they can quickly go through those applications and identify the best attorney for them. So instead of having to Google search and find contact information for a number of different attorneys and call those attorneys and email those attorneys and wait for a response, what they do is they can send the job out and all interested attorneys effectively come to them. Wow.
And then so by those applicants, you can then choose who you want?
Yes, yes. So the client, the traditional method for finding and hiring an attorney is very cumbersome. Before the internet, you had to go through the yellow pages or you had to seek out referrals, and you would call attorneys and you would talk to attorneys, and you got to find out their rates. You got to find out if they can do the work that you want them to do. And then you got to find out if you like that attorney. And it can be time consuming. It could take, I've been in a situation where I've been trying to hire an attorney or give someone a referral, and it can take a day. It can take more than a day. And this essentially takes that entire process and brings it to one simple, easy to use website. And it allows the client basically to find the perfect attorney for them in just a few minutes of their time.
Great. Yes. So wrapping things up, what advice would you give to other innovative leaders that are looking to innovate and be effective about it?
Yeah, the best thing you can do is just go for it, just jump into it. I had this idea years ago, and I would think about it, and I would talk about it, and I would tell people about it, and I would tell my wife about it, and everybody thought it was a good idea, and I didn't do anything with it for a while. And then at some point I got so fed up with myself for talking about something and not doing anything about it that I finally did something about it, and I started developing the website. And it's been a longer process than I expected. But just by starting it kind of lifted the weight off my shoulders of me being all talk and no action. So at some point you just got to jump into it if you think you have a good idea and go for it. And I think this is a good idea, and I think that it's going to help people and attorneys, and I hope that it does.
Great. Well, me too. Well, thank you.
Thank you.